Today, we're gonna be doing a day in the life. Right now, we're at $390 in sales for the day, so I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. I'm headed to a coffee shop right now to pick up an espresso, and I'm gonna sit down and show you everything that's going on with the store right now, TikTok ads we're running, how the store's performing, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I forgot that I have to go to the bank today. Today we're at Chase Bank. Spending too much money on TikTok ads, so I gotta deposit some cash so that I don't run out of money. All right, all done with the deposit, super easy, $2,500 deposited. That'll give me some extra money to spend on ads today. I'm excited. Now let's head to the coffee shop. All right, I'm posted up at the coffee shop. Got the cappuccino here. Now we're hopping in the laptop. I'll show you guys exactly how the store's been going today. Quick refresh for you guys. As you can see, the store is currently at $475 in sales, and we're looking at a 3.75% conversion rate with 293 online sessions. All the traffic has came from my TikTok ads. So here's how the ad account's looking. As you can see, we spent $240 today, and we brought in $475 on the Shopify store. So the $241 has given us 19,000 impressions, 300 clicks, and 12 sales. As you guys can see, we're just running a bunch of CBOs duplicated. Today, our best performing one has spent $70, but I pulled up this ROAS calculator. As you guys can see, we're having a little bit less than a 2x ROAS, which is fine. But I'll keep you guys updated on the rest of the store, and I'll let you guys know what else I'm doing for the rest of the day. I also want to show you guys the website that I'm running, so I'm going to get right into that. It's super simple. We're not doing anything crazy. It's literally just the most basic Shopify store, and we don't even have a reviews app. Like, I'm telling you guys, you do not need anything crazy to make sales. Black and white colors. Let me just show you. So basically, we just have the header here with the logo. That's what I'm covering, and then it's the wide hoop earrings. This isn't the actual product we're selling, but one thing I will reveal about the store, though, is that it's in the women's clothing niche. That's all I can really say. It's a women's clothing product, so that's what we're selling. As you guys can see, we've got this reviews thing here, rated 4.7, and we got save $10, bestseller, low stock, in stock, ready to ship with the size chart, all the details they could need about the product. Just to add to cart. We don't even use the sticky cart app. Like, this is crazy. And then a bunch of fake stuff from TikTok, just like comments that we screenshotted, loved by thousands. And then here's our little testimonial section that's supposed to be where the reviews are. So I guess these are reviews. There's only 3. Like, we have 2,500, right? 2,500, yeah. So questions, FAQs, everything here, and then just join the brand, join the club, and some payment icons. So like I said, guys, that's our complete product page. There's nothing on the real product page that's different from this except the copywriting. And there's a couple GIFs that we used instead of the images. So make sure to include GIFs in your product page. Obviously, you're gonna wanna have some videos and stuff about the product. So, I mean, it's really just a social proof at the end of the day and your offer. All right, guys, so for the past little bit, I've been editing some videos on Canva. They are for Instagram, so make sure to check out my Instagram if you're interested. I've been writing a bunch of captions and stuff. And then as far as the ads go, we're currently at $500 in spend for the day. We've had 56,000 impressions and 28 sales, bringing us a total of, let's see, $1,382 in sales today. 700 sessions, 4% conversion rate. Let's go, we're cooking. So that's the most recent update. I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I've got some bad news. I've been on the phone with the bank for the past 45 minutes, and they still refuse to approve my charges. I don't know what their issue is, but right now our ads are paused, so I'll update you guys if anything changes. We got it to go through with PayPal. Let's go, baby. We're back. The $1,000 charge on PayPal. Let's go. Chase support was absolutely annoying. They did nothing to help me. Just, let's go. That's got approved. We're all good. So I did a couple of drink. So let's go. Cheers to the rest of the day. Let's get it, boys. All right, guys. So It's the end of the day. Currently 3:36 a.m. It's actually the next day. As you guys can see, we finished off the day at $3,700 in sales, almost $3,800. We spent a little bit over $1,700 on TikTok ads, so a little bit more than a 2x ROAS. Doing pretty good. Like I said, it's 3 a.m. Today, we're already at $300 in sales. So I'm really excited for the future of the store. I can't wait to update you guys on everything that's going on with it. Can't wait to keep making videos in the future. I'm going to definitely post a case study. Overall, on this store, we're almost at $10,000 in sales, which is pretty sweet. So case study video coming soon. I'm going to break it all down. Make sure to join Discord, link to the link below. Completely free. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.